Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to how to use the product Reaction X. Firstly, we need to connect the reaction lamp. We can see that there is a switch on the side of the reaction lamp. We can press it briefly for 1 second and we can see that the reaction lamp lights up green. This indicates that the reaction lamp is switched on. Then switch on your phone's Bluetooth and GSP and open the Reaction X app and select the standard mode. When all this is ready, the app will automatically connect to the 4 reaction lamps that we have just switched on. As we can see that the status bar shows the number of the connected reactive lamp. Now we will start with the feature of start delay. The start delay refers to a waiting time for the lamp to turn on. When the start delay is 0 seconds and we click start. We can see that the light will come on immediately. If you need some time to prepare before chaining, you can use the delay according to your needs. Let's try the effect of 5 seconds delay. You can see that after clicking start, the reaction lamp will wait for 5 seconds before the first lamp is lit. Next is the selection of the colors. There are various colors for you to choose from. We can click on color in the ribbon, click on the color you want. When the small circle becomes solid, it means you have chosen the color, and then select OK. That is, the setting is successful. Currently, we only have one light on for the reaction lamp. What can we do if we want both lamps on at the same time? Firstly, to change the number of lamps on the target, we need to set it while we are paused in chaining. So we need to end the chaining section first and then select 2 in the target ribbon, which means that both lamps will be on at the same time. Now let's look at the delay function. Delay has 2 values representing the minimum and maximum delay time. When these 2 values are the same, it means that the reaction lamp is on at the same time. If we set 2 different values, it means that the reaction lamp will light up randomly in this time interval, and the time of light up is not the same. Next, we will talk about the timeout feature, which refers to the amount of time during a chaining section that the reaction lamp will automatically switch off. In the previous mode, we can see that the reaction lamp will turn off when it senses you. But what can we do if you need to change to turn off the light within a specified time? We can select the time you want in the timeout module. And then, the reactive lamp will execute the command to turn off the light automatically. You need to respond within that time or the lamp will be turned off automatically. During this automatic switching of process, the automatic switching of data will not be recorded. If you respond within the specific time, the data will be recorded in real time. Next to the time-on function is our light sound, which refers to the sound that is emitted the moment the lamp comes on. The touch sound refers to the sound your hand makes when it senses the lamp. Sensor function area is divided into 4 parts: close distance, far distance, small vibration, and strong vibration. The range of sensing height for close distance is 8 to 12 centimeters, and the range of sensing height for far distance is between 30 to 40 centimeters. Small vibration means that the chainer needs to turn up the lamp with a little more force than touching, and strong vibration means that it needs more force to turn up the lamp. Let's start with the small vibration and select the small vibration mode. Now we can see that in order to switch off the reactive light, we need to gently touch the reactive lamp and it will automatically switch off the light. Let's take a look at the effects of close distance. Select close distance and start chaining. We can see that we don't need to touch the lamp completely to switch off the reaction lamp. We can see that on the right side of the sensor, there is a flash function, which refers to a blinking process at the moment the lamp is on and is designed to provide the chainer with a reminder. When we turn off the flash, the light comes on directly. When we switch on the flash, and we can see that the reaction lamp will be blink when it comes to on and give you a cue. If you want to save a set of parameters for the next training section, you can click on the heart icon in the ribbon. Clicking on it means saving the set of parameters so that you can use them next time without having to reset them. When we click on this heart icon to save, we need to give this set of parameters a name so that we can find it better in the main interface next time. Let's take a look at the other functional areas. In the bottom left corner, there is a timer. The timer is infinite cycle by default. When you want to chain for a fixed amount of time, you need to select the appropriate time to start chaining. We can also use count as a criterion for chaining. If you want to switch to count, you need to click on timer and select count. In the upper ribbon, we see the displays of fastest, slowest, average, count, and time. This refers mainly to the fastest, slowest, and average reaction times you use to switch off the lamps during chaining. The count refers to the number of chaining sections, and the time is the total chaining time. In the real-time data module, the left side is the value of the reaction time to turn off the lamp, and the right side is the number and color of the reaction lamp that was turned off this time. If you feel that this data's display is not clear enough, you can click the button next to the real-time data to switch the display of the chaining data. It will display the chaining data in the form of a bar chart, which can present a more specific and intuitive chaining results for the chainer. When we want to see all the training data, we can click this button to retrieve that. On this page, we can see all the data recorded by the training we just did. We can sort data by the lamp, color, and number. In the upper right corner, there is a copy option, which is convenient for trainers to copy and paste the training data to other places. When we finish the training and need to save the trainer's parameters, we can go back to the main page of the standard training. Click on Save button, click on plus icon and to add a trainer's name. Enter the name and then click on Save. Our saved data can be viewed on the main page of the app. Just go back to the main page and click on this button to view it. On our historical data page, we can see how long we've been training. When we want to compare the training data of multiple trainers, just click on this button and select the trainer whose data you want to compare. And then click on the Confirm button to view the trainer results of multiple trainers. The button in the top right corner is the Share button, and our data will be sent in an Excel spreadsheet to the appropriate contacts via the selected social media platforms. The heart icon of the main page is a collection of some of our training parameters, where we can see the set of training parameters we just saved. By clicking on this, we can realize that we can continue training use that parameters. The main content of this explanation is the use of the standard mode of Reaction Next. Hurry up and try that.